All right, today we're going to be reading part of a story called Wash and Dry. And I'm looking at the front cover and the picture that I see on the front cover. And I'm guessing that they're going to be talking about clothes. And they're hanging up some clothes outside. So I'm thinking maybe they're going to be talking about washing clothes. Let's see. Oh no, my muddy dog just jumped on me. I'm grimy and slimy from cap to socks. Daddy says I smell like a wet dog. P.U. Oh no. I'll add my dirty clothes to the rest of the dirty laundry. I'm glad Mommy and Daddy will help me wash and dry my clothes. I wouldn't want to do this job by myself. Luckily, I still had lots of clean clothes in my dresser. Smells like a bag of lemons in there. I'll be glad when those dirty clothes smell that good. I carry the stinky basket over to the washing machine. I hold my breath as I walk and I try to think about Flowers. It's not working. He's holding all the dirty clothes and he's going towards the washing machine. I'm glad we have our own washing machine at home. My aunt takes her dirty clothes to the Rub-a-Dub-Tub laundromat. There are lots of people there, and the machines clink, clank, whistle, and whir as they wash and dry the clothes. My aunt has to use a lot of quarters to wash and dry her clothes. So she doesn't have a washer and dryer at her house. She goes to a laundromat. At our house, Mommy helps me wash my clothes. We put the really dirty clothes in a pile to be washed in the washing machine. It will twist and twirl the dirt right out of the clothes for us. We put some of the delicate clothes in a pile to wash by hand. We swish and swirl the clothes in the soapy water. There are bubbles in the clothes and bubbles up my nose. Ha-choo! Before we can put the clothes in the washing machine, we have to sort them. We make a pile of the light-colored ones to wash together. If we wash Daddy's dark red shirt with my white underwear, my underwear would turn pink. We make a pile of dark-colored clothes, too. If we wash my white socks with Mommy's dark blue pants, my socks would be light blue. Oh, look, they're putting it in the washer. We're going to pause reading the story right here because I want to know today, what do you do to help your family do laundry? So how do you help your family do laundry? Do you help put the dirty clothes in the laundry basket? Maybe help in the laundry room, help putting clothes in the washer or taking them out? Do you know how to fold the clothes when they come out? And if you have a washer and dryer at your house, or maybe you go somewhere else and wash your clothes, I want to hear about how you help do your laundry at your house today. And next time we'll finish reading the story.